In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the indentation settings in Microsoft Word from inches to centimeters and tailor them according to your needs. This can be especially handy when you need precise measurements in your documents for formatting purposes. So let's dive right into it. First, let's open up your Microsoft Word file. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and launch the program and open the document you want to work on. It might be a document you're preparing for a professional presentation, or simply a project for personal use. It's crucial to have the document in front of you so you can clearly see the changes as you make them. Once your document is open, navigate to the Layout tab located near the top of the screen. The Layout tab is your go-to place for everything related to the page setup and document layout. It's packed with tools that allow you to fine-tune how your text appears on the page, and we'll be using it extensively today. Now that you're under the Layout tab, your attention should be drawn to the Paragraph group. This section deals with the positioning and spacing of your paragraphs, allowing for greater customization. Here, we are going to change the indentation settings that dictate how far your text is positioned from the left and right margins of the page. To convert those indentations from inches to centimeters, simply type your desired size in centimeters, followed by the letters CCM. For instance, let's set it to 7 centimeters in this example. As you type 7 centimeters, you'll notice that Word automatically adjusts to accommodate the new measurement, giving you immediate visual feedback. This feature is incredibly user-friendly, ensuring you can see the impact of your changes in real time. And just like that, you're done. Regularly adjusting these settings can streamline your work and save time if you're consistently formatting documents with specific requirements. It's always a good idea to double-check your document after making changes, just to ensure everything looks as expected. If at any point in the future you decide to revert back to inches or change to another unit, you can easily follow these steps again to modify the settings. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. By mastering these small but essential skills, you can enhance your productivity and efficiency with Microsoft Word. Keep practicing and don't hesitate to explore more of Word's features to make the most out of your writing experience. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and if you've learned something valuable today, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Have a great day and happy typing!